Hi, I'm Charlie Farrar from Welland Power, and this is a Perkins 2206 diesel engine. This engine has come to the Welland factory straight from Seguin in the USA where it's made. It's just been unwrapped. It's a 13 litre, 4-stroke, 6-cylinder direct injection engine, and this model is specifically for generators and will shortly be assembled into a Welland Power generator. It comes to us already painted in black, complete with the radiator, fuel cooler, turbo, filters and the ECU, and all the other standard parts you might expect. Hit subscribe below for more from WellandTV.